Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to back up Candy Crush levels. Losing your game progress can be incredibly frustrating, especially after investing hours into hundreds of levels. Imagine reaching level 1000 and then suddenly losing all that hard work due to a new phone or an accidental app deletion. This guide will walk you through simple, effective methods to ensure your sweet progress is always safe and sound, ready to be restored whenever you need it. Let's dive in. The most reliable way to secure your Candy Crush progress is by connecting your game to either a Facebook account or a King account. When you link your game, all your hard-earned levels, boosters, and gold bars are saved to the cloud. This means you can easily pick up where you left off on any device, whether it's a new phone or a tablet. Simply open the game, find the settings, and choose to connect. It's a quick process that takes less than 1 minute. Beyond in-game accounts, you can also rely on your device's native backup features. For Apple users, iCloud Backup can save your entire device, including app data, to the cloud. Android users can utilize Google Drive for similar comprehensive backups. While these methods back up more than just your game, they provide an additional layer of security. Just ensure your device is set to perform regular, automatic backups, perhaps once every 24 hours, to keep everything up to date. Restoring your progress is just as straightforward as backing it up. If you used a Facebook or King account, simply log back into that account within the game, and your progress should sync automatically. For device backups, you'll typically restore your entire phone from a previous backup. To ensure maximum safety, always use at least 2 backup methods. Regularly check your connections and consider setting a reminder to verify your backups once every few weeks. Your sweet success deserves to be protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.